What do you think?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Let's see what the donor car has.
Yeah.
You locked out?
Yeah. So it's a convertible?
Yep.
Are we gonna keep it?
Nope, we're gonna make it a race car.
Why?
That's what we do. Here, buckle up. Wanna do that again?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here's the motor. It's about to blow.
Whoa. Last one.
Alright, last one because it's knocking.
Whoa.
There's some traction that time.
Yeah. Whoa. Oh.
Let's do one more. It's still running. Oh, he's definitely not happy. This could be the last one right here. It could blow up.
Oh. I think it actually is gonna blow. Do you hear it not?
You gonna call it a day?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Did it blow up?
No.
Not yet?
Not
All
yet.
right, let's park it before it blows up.
Imagine it blows up when we get out. Boom.
You hear it? Brrr. Not supposed to do that. Boing.
What is that thing?